polymers multiple choice questions. Question 1. Which polymer has hydrogen bonding between polymer chains? A. One question you need to know it. It's Kevlar. Question 2. Which is the repeating unit of polyamide? Now polyamide, so it's going to have a carbonyl functional group and it's also going to be attached. Something like that is what I'm looking for. Well, A has none of them. It doesn't have that or that, so it definitely can't be A. B does have that, but it's not directly attached to NH. It's NH2 here, so it's not the answer. B. C, look, it's just got that CH2 that. Oh, it's not attached to an NH2, an NH, sorry. Whereas in D, perfectly. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Carbonyl functional group attached, and then your NH. Question 3. Which type of polymer is not hydrolyzed by heating with concentrated aqueous sodium hydroxide? This one's very simple once you just think about it. Alkenes, it's got strong non-polar bonds. Therefore, it won't be able to be hydrolyzed by heating with concentrated sulfuric acid because of strong non-polar bonds. Question 4. Which forms a polymer with this? So you can see you've got that chloride, it's our chloride. So what I'm looking for is the one with diamines. So I'm looking for two NH2s. There we go. Exactly what I'm looking for. Question 5. Which polymer has hydrogen bonding between its chains? Is a repeat, or maybe they literally just copy and pasted the same question a couple of years later. The answer is Kevlar. I'd like to ask about that. Question 6. Question 5 to question 6. The repeating unit of polymer is shown. Which monomer or pair monomers could be used to make this polymer? So I've got that and I've got that. So what I'm looking for is not just this. No, it's not going to be A or B. I'm looking for exactly C or D. And C and D are very similar, aren't they? One with two S-chlorides and two diamines, dichlorides, diamines. But the difference is, you've got your Cl, OC, CH2. In C it's 4 and D it's 6. The answer is going to be C because that's exactly what we're looking for. ClOC, CH2, 4. Then your COCl, and then your H2N, CH2, 6, NH2. Yeah. Whereas D is just the opposite way around. It's not the correct way. The structure of part of a polyester chain is shown. Which statement correctly explains why plastics made from this polyester only soften at high temperatures? A lot of students, including myself, immediately go for A. A. Hydrogen bonds. It must be it. It's not A. The answer is B. Remember, the permanent dipole force and the van der Waals forces exist between the polymer chains, not the hydrogen bonds. What is C and D? Well, obviously it's not C or D as well. The answer is B, but I just have a look. The carbon-carbon bonds are strong. The carbon-oxygen bonds are strong. No, they are not the reason. Which polymer is least likely to be biodegraded after several years in landfill sites? So immediately I went for A, then Kevlar, the hydrogen bonding and all of that. The answer is not A. The answer is polythene. Because it's the polymer chains and all of that, non-biodegradable. And that's all just a 1. The answer is polythene. Which compound can form a polymer without needing another reagent? So I'm looking for the one where it's literally just 2. So A, definitely not. B, 2 carboxylic acids, no. I'm going to see in D. C or D. C, I've got this, and then a carboxyl functional group, carboxylic acid. The answer is gonna be C. Yeah, C, definitely C. And question 10: which compound can polymerize by reaction with itself? So this is diamine for A. It's B, definitely not going to be B. C, HOOC, COH, no. So I'm left with A and D, and it's definitely not going to be A as well because that's diamine. Polymerized by reaction with itself. How is that going to polymerize by reaction with itself? It's just diamine, two NH2 groups. No, I need a different functional group. That's perfect. NH2 and COCl. The answer is D. That's the end of multiple choice questions for polymers.